Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings available on this DOOGEE. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound section. Now scroll down and tap on Vibrate for calls. Then select the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now click on those switches, those two, next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to turn them on or off. You can also, if you want to, tap on shortcut to prevent ringing, enable it, and tap on vibrate if it's not already on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!